What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over converting decimals to their fraction equivalents. A lot of times we're doing projects and we either have to build around something we're going to buy, or we're shopping for furniture or something like that, and we get the specs on the product, and a lot of times they write the dimensions in their decimal equivalent, and it's a little hard to decipher sometimes. You know, you get these decimals 0.56888 or something like that, and you really don't know what that equals in the breakdown of a fraction of an inch. So I found a really simple method to use. What you do is you take that decimal equivalent and you multiply it by 16. If we're looking for the nearest 16th, then that answer becomes your numerator over 16th. All right, so we're on our calculator. Let's just say we see a dimension of something that's 32.564. And we're wondering what that 0.564 is. So we make a mental note, 0.564. You go ahead and you put in 0.564 times 16. That gives you a 9, right? You put that over the 16th, that becomes 9/16. The dimension is really 32 and 9/16. All right, a very simple way to break down a decimal and turn it into a fraction where you're working, in the shop, or you're buying furniture, and you really need to know what those decimals mean to make sure that you're getting an accurate measurement. So obviously sometimes the answer might be in a fraction that needs to be reduced. So you just reduce it to its lowest terms, and the answer might be an eighth. The answer might be 3/8. The answer might be, 7/16 or whatever. But we multiply it by 16 so it can give us our lowest fractional equivalent. But the lowest fractional equivalent could be an eighth. It could even be a quarter. So just keep that in mind when you're doing the math. All right, guys, I hope this helped. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.